Hello, my dear lovely students of class 3. I am Vidya Rani, your English teacher. So children, today again I have come up with a video for you all, that is from Gulmohar book, chapter number 5, The Golden Bird. Children, in the earlier video, we had finished with part 1 of this same very chapter. Now, in this video, we will carry on with part 2, chapter 5, The Golden Bird. But before we start with this part 2, let us quickly recapitulate what we had done in the earlier video, that was part 1 of this chapter. Like children, in the earlier video, we had discussed about the golden bird. And she was caged in the king's palace. Now, king started feeling sorry for that golden bird and set free that golden bird. He asked the men to leave that golden bird in the forest. The men followed the instruction of the king and left that golden bird in the forest. Kept that cage, the door of the cage open. Now this little bird, this golden bird, came hopping out of that cage. Since she did not know how to fly, as long she had been kept in the cage. So she hopped out, and while she hopped out, she found a monkey in front of her. Now there was a conversation between this monkey and the golden bird, and the monkey wanted to help her as she was very hungry, and he said that come along with me and I will show you the places where you can get food, good food for herself. But since this golden bird was very much proud of herself, then she thought, what can this monkey teach me? What can this monkey show me? Okay, she did not listen, pay heed to that monkey. The monkey also left her as she was there. He did not try to help her now. When he listened the answer of that golden bird. Later on, this golden bird comes to meet a snake. Okay, up till here, we had ended part 1. Now let us start with part 2 of the same very chapter, children. Put your fingers, children, where am I reading? To page number 34. So let's start, children. You will enjoy this story. Well, hello, here's the snake. Who are you? I am the golden bird, replied the bird. Come, let me show you the forest, said the snake. Now the snake saw this golden bird and knew that she was all new to the forest. So the snake asked the golden bird that who are you? And she praised herself and said that I am a golden bird. Then the snake said that come, I will show you the forest. Since you are very new to the forest, I will show you the forest. No, said the golden bird. What can a snake teach me? And you have a hissing voice. Do you know I sing beautifully? Now, this golden bird said, No, whatever you are saying, I am not agreeing with you. I will not go along with you. What can you teach me? And such bad voice you have, hissing voice. Snake take out hissing voice, isn't it, children? Likewise, this snake was taking out hissing voice. Then this golden bird said That's such a bad voice you have. What you are going to teach me? See, I sing so beautifully. Okay? Very well, hissed the snake, and he slithered away. Now the snake to this replied, okay, as you feel like. Okay, I am going, the snake said, and he slithered away. Slithered away means what, children? What is the meaning of slithered, children? Have you seen a snake? Snake, how does it drags its body on the ground? Okay, like this, isn't it? That is called slithering. Okay, children? So it slithered away, moved quickly and smoothly. Okay? Just then something moved in the tree in front of the bird. She looked up and saw a chameleon. He was the same color as the tree trunk. Now just then, as the snake went, something moved in the tree. The leaves started moving. Now this bird noticed it. And when she looked, what did she see? A chameleon. What is a chameleon, children? A type of garden lizard that can change its colors to match the place it is. Okay? Wherever this lizard will be, it will get itself matched with the color of that place. That is chameleon. It is a lizard type. Okay? So she saw what? Chameleon. He was the same color. The color was the same as the tree trunk. Tree trunk means what, children? Have you seen the trunk of the tree? That is the fat part, that trunk. Okay? You must be the golden bird. When I am in danger, I do something wonderful. Let me show you, said the chameleon. Now, the chameleon said that you must be golden bird. I think so. Now, do you know, when I am in danger, I do wonderful things. What are those wonderful things? Chameleon was saying. That I change the color of my body. No thanks, replied the bird. This chameleon wanted to show it, but this bird was not interested. What could a lizard like you teach me? She said. What could a lizard like you, lizard, what will you teach me? Don't you wish you have golden feathers like me? She said. Don't you wish that you would also have such a golden feather? What am I having? Well, I tried to help you, muttered the chameleon and darted away. Now this chameleon said that I tried to help you, but since you are not listening, okay, then leave. And he muttered. Muttered means what, children? Spoke in a low voice, not sounding please. When you get angry, what do? You start muttering. Muttering means what? Speaking inside your mouth. Okay? And it darted away. It moved quickly from there. Suddenly, the golden bird saw a large eagle above the forest. The other animals too spotted the eagle. The monkey hid among the leaves of the trees. The snake slid into the deepest part of the ground. The chameleon also stayed quite still. No one could see him. Now suddenly, what happened, children? The golden bird saw an eagle coming towards the forest, and the other animals also saw that eagle. Now, what did the monkey do? It hid among the leaves of the trees, and the snake went inside the ground, the hole, okay, to the deepest ground part. And the chameleon stayed quite still, hiding itself. Everyone was afraid that the eagle was coming. Why they were afraid, children? Because that eagle might have eaten them. If that eagle would have seen, that is why they hid themselves wherever they found safe. Okay, children? The golden bird was scared of the eagle and wanted to fly away fast. She flapped her wings, but they were weak. She had never used them in the king's palace, and now she could not fly. This golden bird was very much scared of the eagle, so she wanted to fly. She started flapping her wings. But since the wings were weak, she was always kept in the cage. What happened? She couldn't fly, children. She has forgot to fly because since long she had been kept in the cage. Please help me, someone, she cried. She cried loudly, please, someone help me, otherwise the eagle will eat me. At that moment, the golden bird felt something like a rope pulling her into some bushes. It was the snake. Then a long hairy arm lifted her up into the tree. It was the monkey. As she asked for the help, the snake, what did it do? It pulled her into the bushes. And the monkey, what did it do? Lifted the arm on her and placed the arm on her so that the eagle couldn't see. Do not move. Just put your fingers, children. Where am I reading? Here in page number 35, the topmost page. Don't move, whispered the chameleon, and pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. She was pushed into the center of a large yellow flower. Since her color was golden, that is why she got matched with that yellow flower and the eagle couldn't see. The eagle won't see you there. The golden bird was just the color of the flower. The eagle did not see her and flew straight past her. Now the eagle did not see this golden bird and flew from there. How can I thank you all? Exclaimed the bird. You saved my life. Now this bird exclaimed that how can I thank you all? How can I so nicely you had saved me from that eagle? You can sing for us, replied the animals kindly. Now all the animals said that you can sing for us every day. From then on, the monkey, the snake, the chameleon looked after the golden bird, and she sang her beautiful songs for them every day. Now from then, they all took care of this golden bird. That was who, children? The monkey, the snake, and the chameleon. And what did this bird do? As they used to take care of this bird, what did this bird do? She sang sweetly for them every day. So children, did you like this story? It's so nice, no children? Hope you all must have enjoyed this story of this golden bird. How her nature changed when she saw all the animals who had helped her, who had saved her life from that eagle. Okay, children? So, till then, take care. Bye.